Hey, today let's discuss about pretty useful git command to combine several commits into a single one, so you don't mess up with your git history on master branch, for example. So basically, squashing is combining several commits that you want to merge into a single one. So for example, here in my feature branch, I've got 5 commits, and it would be better relevant for my feature branch to have only one commit here, because I don't want to keep the track of the whole commit history. So to achieve that, when you're in your development branch here, as you can see, I'm in my feature branch. So when you're done with your commits and you want to integrate that into your origin branch, for example master here, you just type git rebase your origin branch, which is master here, dash I. So it will open your default text editor and it shows you all the commits you have already. And as you can see here, you have the squash option, which means basically merge this commit into the previous one. So you will have less commits in this way. So instead of pick, you just type squash, or just S you can also. So each line that I want to squash, I will push S or squash. You cannot do that for the first one because you need one first commit to do so. So it's okay. Now we save and close. So the rebase continue. And now we need to edit the message. So as you can see, all message from the various commits are appearing. So now I just want to combine this into a single message like this. Everything with a sharp is just comments. So when I'm done, I save, close, and now the rebase is done. So basically, as you can see here, we now have a single commit. So as you can see, we get rid of all the history of commits I don't want, and only one commits appear with all my changes. In the case you have already pushed the feature branch into your repo, you may have a step to add. So for example, here I've added 3 new commits into the my feature branch, but I've already pushed to the server this branch. So if I do the same thing than previously, if you want to squash those commits, so I just retype git rebase the branch where you want to rebase on top of the branch you want, which is origin master here, dash I. I do the same thing by just typing S. Save, close. I will put the same comment. Save, close. Okay, so now we're good. All the commits have been squashed, but I need to push it to the server. So obviously, when you are doing that, it's better to not have this remote branch used by other person, because you're rewriting git history here. So in that case, you need to type git push -- force to apply the modification on the repo. It's also possible to do the squash on GitHub, for example, while doing the pull request. So for example, here I've added 3 commits. I will push them as it is. And if you open GitHub, so you can create a pull request. The Git master can squash and merge the pull request here. So it will do the same. And you can update the comments. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this and give the thumbs up and see you in the next one.